Hey guys, welcome back. So in this series, interactive communication, we have already created document fragment as well as form data model. Now in this video, what we will do, we will create a form template, which is nothing but XDP file. I am using AEM Forms Designer to create an XDP file. So we are going to create similar kind of structure for example, we have created call, bills, etc. in form data model as well as in the document fragment. So similar type of structure will create for form template. So what we have to use, I'm using blank template right now. So what we can do, we can just go to file, new, and then use a blank form, next, finish. Yeah, just make sure you have this object library pane as well as the object itself. So, and in hierarchy we can basically see what is the structure we are going to create. Okay, so the very first thing is, within this object library we should find this subform. Just to drag and drop here, and then go to objects. Maybe I will change the name to bill details. And I will change the content to float, and I will also change the binding to none. So if we see this, basically we have created this node. So the parent node is untitled, so let's change this also. So again we can go to object, give it a name. Maybe I will my telecommunication bill, and I can say this is also float and there is no binding. So similar way we will create few more nodes. So we can use Control C, Control V, or here also we can use edit, copy, and edit, paste. That is also fine. So the next node I'm going to create is field, basically customer details. I will go here. I'll use Control C, Control V, and then I'll just need to change the field. This time it will be bill summary. Control C, Control V, charges. This will be charts. Itemized bill. Pay now. And maybe it will be value added services, and maybe one for more field for subscribe. Yeah, it looks good. What we can do after we complete this, we can just save it. So save as, and just save it as XDP. And maybe I'm going to give it, I have already created it, but version 3. And if I open it, this is nothing but an XML file. EM forms, okay. Yeah, so basically it will generate as a kind of as in like we have XSD file similar to that. One thing to notice here, we see this W field here, which is nothing but width. So for example, when you create a document fragments using this, sorry, a form using this XDP, what we can do, we can, if you want to increase the width, we can just change excuse me, the width property here itself in this XDP. Okay, and then we need to upload this XDP to the AEM forms server basically, so that we can use it. Okay, we need to create one more XDP template for layout fragment that we will create in next video. Thank you so much for watching.